The docuseries deliberately exploited Wendy Williams' dementia, according to a complaint. The Lifetime documentary Where is Wendy Williams featured glimpses of the former talk show presenter being unpredictable, disoriented, and forgetful. However, filmmakers named Williams, who has dementia and aphasia, as an executive producer of the docuseries. Now, in a newly unsealed case, Williams' guardian Sabrina Morrissey claims that due to her physical condition, Williams lacked the capacity to consent to the film and would not have approved of how she was portrayed. This blatant exploitation of a vulnerable woman with a serious medical condition who is beloved by millions within and outside of the African American community is disgusting, and it cannot be allowed, stated the lawsuit, which was filed on Feb. 21 in the New York State Supreme Court. The 4-episode series, which premiered last month, follows Williams' life after the cancellation of her iconic daytime TV show The Wendy Williams Show, including her struggles with alcoholism, major health challenges, and financial difficulties. The complaint against A&E Television Networks and Entertainment One Reality Productions also accuses the filmmakers of failing to properly communicate the project with Williams' guardian, or the court presiding over the guardianship, claiming that no one acting in Williams' best interest would have permitted such a film to be aired. Williams was diagnosed with primary progressive aphasia and frontotemporal dementia in May 2023, a few months after beginning filming. Her diagnosis went public last month. The documentary's executive producer Mark Ford claimed the film team would never have entered into the project if they knew Williams had dementia, adding that Wendy had good days and she had bad days. "We hope people get to the end of it and understand why we decided to finish the project with Wendy, her family, and her management all supporting it," he said in an interview with the Los Angeles Times. A&E responded to the complaint with a statement that read, "We look forward to the unsealing of our papers as well, as they tell a very different story." Entertainment One Reality Productions did not immediately respond to NPR's request for comment. The mysterious firm got a docuseries contract. Williams was placed under temporary financial guardianship in May 2022 after her bank, Wells Fargo, expressed worry that she was incapacitated and a victim of undue influence and financial exploitation. A few months later, in January 2023, Entertainment One, Williams, and a firm called The Wendy Experience, Inc., inked a contract for the documentary. According to the complaint, Williams' guardian Morrissey claims she was uninformed of the contract at the time and would never have consented to its provisions, which included Williams having no control over the ultimate product and renouncing all doctor-patient privileges during the process. According to the complaint, it is also unclear who founded the Wendy Experience, Inc., and served as CEO. Morrissey did not sanction the firm, which was founded a month after Williams' guardianship ended. The complaint claims that the CEO's signature is not clearly legible, yet highly distinguishable from Williams' signature, implying that the CEO is not Williams but someone else. Morrissey is asking the court to overturn the contract. Williams' guardian claims she was misled into believing the docuseries would be positive and beneficial to Williams. In a separate court filing, Morrissey claims she initially allowed the film project to proceed on the grounds that it would be positive and beneficial to Williams' legacy. Morrissey also anticipated she and the court would be able to evaluate and make final decisions on any footage before it was released. Instead, Morrissey claims the docuseries trailer was released without prior warning and without seeking or obtaining prior approval from her or the court. "I was horrified by the release of the trailer and its contents," Morrissey stated in a court document obtained by NPR this week. Williams' guardian claims the trailer depicts the TV star as a drunkard and laughingstock. Morrissey went on to say that she would never have approved the documentary's publication. Morrissey attempted to prevent the documentary from airing before its release. The court granted Morrissey's motion, but A&E later appealed the judgment. A judge later granted A&E's appeal on First Amendment grounds.